Hi, my name is Amy with WTI. My son just recently started back up with the alto saxophone, and his music teacher highly recommended this book for him. It is the Essential Elements Alto Saxophone book number 1. This has been awesome. It's been very helpful for him. I wanted to give you a closer look so that you can see what you'll get inside this book. I like how the book walks you through the steps for proper breathing, how to properly care for your instrument, and it shows step by step how to put your sax together. It outlines how to read music, which is fundamental to playing your instrument and actually enjoying it. There are exercises you can do daily, and I love that there's a duets section that encourages you to have a friend join you, even if they have a different instrument, and match each other's rhythm, pitch, and tone. They touch on the theory of composition, which is the art of writing your own music, and improvisation, which is creating your own melody as you play. You can even use the Star Achiever page to mark your progress, and there's also a place to record when you practice, so that's pretty helpful too. This book is really great. My son finds it easy to use, and it's helping to give him a solid foundation to grow from. So if you're just starting out learning the alto sax, or say you were playing another instrument and you've switched to the alto saxophone, this is going to be a great book for you. And that's my point of view.